You're alive. You, you came back. It's been so long. So long.
Well, I couldn't leave my best girl. Now when she owes me a dance.
Thank you, President. Okay, case closed. I'm in.
I have to go.